Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use a Visa gift card on Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then go to your profile at the top right and select Payments and Subscription. Here, select Payment Methods or something similar for both of the apps. Once there, you can see I have already added my Visa card. So choose the Add Credit or Debit Card option that is the same for both apps. I can't show you this screen due to privacy, but on this page you just have to enter your card details and add it to your Google account. And after adding, you may now go back to your Brawl Stars app and start purchasing items from its store. And you can see you can use the newly added Visa gift card. So that's basically how you can use a Visa gift card on Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.